Here's problem 35:16. A person looks horizontally at the edge of a swimming pool. If its length is 5 meters and the pool is filled to the surface, to what depth in meters could the observer see? N for water is 1.33. Alright, so let's imagine we're looking at a swimming pool and we're observing light that's coming just off the surface. So our eye, as an observer, is right there on the surface of the water. So this light is actually refracting at the water interface in such a way that the angle of refraction from the normal is a right angle. So our theta 2 is going to be 90 degrees as we're going from N1 of 1.33 to an N2 of 1 since we're going to air. Alright, so we want to find what is this angle of incidence. What is theta 1 as we're going into this interface? Sounds good. We're going to use Snell's law for that. N1 sine theta 1 is equal to N2 sine theta 2. We know what theta 2 is. It's actually 90 degrees. So the sine of 90 is going to be 1. Let's go one step further though. So theta 1 is going to be equal to the inverse sine of N2 over N1 sine 90 degrees. Hence, sine of 90 degrees is 1 indeed. And so this is going to be the inverse sine of N2, which is 1 over 1.33. Let's figure out what that is. 48.75 degrees. So theta 1 is 48.75 degrees. Nice to know. I've always wanted to know that. But the question is, to what depth can the observer see? So we're looking at this triangle, and it looks like this. Here's theta 1 that we just found. And the length across on this triangle, the length of the pool, is given as 5 meters. So that length is 5 meters. And we want to find D, which actually would be this length right here. So looking at this triangle, we can see that the tangent of theta 1 should be equal to the opposite side, L, divided by D. In other words, our depth, D, is going to equal L divided by the tangent of theta 1. So that's going to be equal to 5 meters divided by the tangent of this angle that we just found, which is 48.75 degrees. So if I figure that out, tangent, that times 5, 4.38 meters. So D is 4.38 meters. If we were an observer at the horizontal edge of this pool, we could see to a depth of 4.38 meters.